Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm an attorney. I'm located in upstate New York. My practice focuses on two main areas, DWI defense and personal injury cases. Today I'd like to talk to you about a little known right that you have. It's called the right to an adjournment. Everybody's familiar with their Fourth Amendment right to be free of search and seizure, their Fifth Amendment right to remain silent with the police, Sixth Amendment right to due process or to have a trial, but very few people are familiar with the fact that they have a right to have an adjournment. An adjournment means a delay of your case, because the way the cases proceed is this. Charges are filed against you. They want to move it through the system. You can then decide whether it's in your best interest to take some of the time to either, number one, gather evidence, speak with an attorney, get an attorney, or to do any of a bunch of different things. You have a right to delay the process. Delaying the process must be for specific reasons. You can't just say, I want to slow things down, or this is not convenient to me, but you have to give specific reasons. That's what it means to be reasonable, to have good reasons to do things. There are three times that you would want to request an adjournment. Number one, you'd want to request an adjournment to either speak to an attorney or hire an attorney to represent you. So the court will allow you to have, in addition to your right to have an adjournment or a delay of your case, to obtain counsel or to speak to counsel. That's number one. That's a primary right that you have. Second instance of getting an adjournment is this. You might need to do certain things for the court, and these things may take time. Number one, getting a drug alcohol evaluation / assessment. Sometimes that may take a month or two to get one of those done, depending upon where you live and depending upon who you go to. Another time that you might need an adjournment is to show that you've been clean for 30 days. Some courts, before they move forward with a drug case, marijuana case, want to see that somebody has not been using for a certain period of time to go along with a plea deal or a plea offer. I've had certain plea deals and plea offers that were conditioned upon somebody doing things before the case even moved forward. One of those times was when I had somebody that was recklessly driving, which is a misdemeanor in the state of New York, a crime, with a bunch of other moving violations. They had sped their motorcycle, crazy speeds all over town, running red lights, stop signs, and everything else. Part of the deal was to get rid of the reckless driving by having them do a whole bunch of community service hours before we got to getting the plea offer. That went a long way with the prosecutor. So that's the second time that you would want to request an adjournment, when it would benefit you to do something that would help your case, to be proactive. Third instance of requesting an adjournment is to obtain evidence. You might need to obtain witness statements. You might need to go to visit the scene of where something happened. You might also need to get an adjournment because we don't have back blood work. We don't have back a BAC, a blood alcohol concentration. Those are times when the judge is going to grant an adjournment that's being asked either by you or by your attorney, because it's going to be helpful to the overall process and the fairness of the process. If you have any questions about your right to an adjournment or any other rights that you have, please feel free to give me a call. I'd be more than happy to help you with your case.